Hello guys, welcome to Zero Arabic. I am your narrator for this course, Mursalin. Before we proceed, please subscribe and like. Hello, welcome back. Lesson 5. Who are you? What will you learn? To say who are you in Arabic, separated pronouns, interrogative particle, the usage of who, question. English always use the pronoun you to refer to both male and female gender. How do you use the pronouns in Arabic? Lesson 5. Who are you? Suhaila. Man anta? Man anta? Man, who? Anta, you. Man anta? Man anta? Hassan. Ana talib. Ana talib. Ana, I am. Talib, student. Ana talib. Ana talib. Hassan. Man ant? Man ant? Man, who? Anta, are you? Man anta? Man anta? Yusuf. Ana mudarris. أنا مدرس. أنا, I am. مدرس, a teacher. أنا مدرس. Let's repeat again. من أنت? من أنت؟ أنا طالب. أنا طالب. من أنت؟ من أنت؟ أنا مدرس. أنا مدرس. Now it's your turn. Just write the Arabic words. Usage of the phrase. The phrase anta means you for female. Is inserted after saying man. Man. Anta is used to refer when speaking to a male person, whereas anti, you for female, is used when referring to female person. Question. English always use the pronoun you to refer to both male and female gender. How do you use the pronouns in Arabic? Arabic has different sets of rules. You can't speak to male person using the female pronoun. Grammar tips. First tip, you need to use the right pronouns when speaking to male or female. Anta, anta, when speaking to male person. Anti, anti, when speaking to female person. Second tip, man, man is an interrogative particle. Thus, it can be used for both male and female gender forms. Example, man ant? Man ant? Who are you for female? Man anti? Man anti? Who are you for female? You may reply, Ana John. I am John. Ana John. Ana Emily. I am Emily. Ana Emily. Third tip, Ana. Ana. Ana refers to the first speaker. You may say your job after the pronoun Ana. Example, Ana Talib. I am a student. Ana Talib. Ana Mudarris. I am a teacher. Ana Mudarris. Example for female, Ana طالبة. So you need to insert a here, a suffix. أنا طالبة, I am a student. أنا مدرسة, I am a teacher. أنا مدرسة. If you want to change masculine to feminine, just insert a suffix a at the end of the word. Take a look. This is the male masculine, there's no a. Mudarris, there's no a. But once you change it to female form, you need to put the a here. Mudarrisa, talibah, mudarrisa. Street talk with Arab locals. When contacting by phone or knocking on a neighbor's door, you will hear this. Min. In classical Arabic, they will say man, but most people, you say this min who? Min hunak. Min hunak. List of people. Go to Translate in Google and just key in the English words, and once you find the Arabic words, just write this down. Tajir, tajir, businessman. Musafir, musafir, traveler. Muhami, muhami, lawyer. Tabib, tabib, doctor. Mumarridah, mumarridah, nurse. Muwazzaf, muwazzaf, clerk. Katib, writer. Mudir, mudir, manager. Mustashar, mustashar, consultant. Muhandis, engineer. Muhandis, engineer. Let's repeat. Tajir, musafir, محامي, طبيب, ممرض, موظف, كاتب, مدير, مستشار, مهندس. Research. Practice using the dialogue above. Change the pronouns. If you're stuck with a noun such as engineer, dentist, etc., go to Google Translate and do some research. It helps to enhance your vocabularies. Knowing the new words is not enough. You need to write the words and do a spelling test by yourself. Suhaila, man ant, man ants, ana talib. Just write down ana talib. Now try to change it to gender forms. Man anti, man anti, ana talibah, ana talibah. Translate. Write it in Arabic. Go to Translate Google. Just key in this in English and write the Arabic words.